Hey, what's up people, this side Dheeraj and you're watching KTB Versatile. So I'm back again with another video of the most weighted smartphone of 2019. The Vivo announced the Apex 2019 at the press conference in Beijing, and it's safe to say that the phone is unlike any other in the market today, and there's no any opening anywhere on the device, and Vivo even got rid of the USB port and also the magnetic connector at the back called Mac port. And also, if we talk about the specification of this phone, it's come with a 5G enabled and powered by Qualcomm latest Snapdragon 855 along with the 12 GB of RAM and also the 256 GB of storage. And this is very good thing of this phone. And look this phone in a cinematic way. So as there is no any opening the camera at the backseat flash with the body of the device, and there is no any physical power volume button to open the phone. And right now I'm using the fingerprint sensor of this phone to touch. All setup is done, and right now I will show you how to open this device. To touch anywhere to unlock this phone. Right now the phone is open. This is all about the specification of this phone. Right now these sums of the specification of this phone, you can see it's a language of the Chinese, so I can't understand this language. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you come first time then subscribe the channel and also press the bell button and share this video to your friend and their family.